queen palm originates from tropical regions of South America. It occurs from eastern and central Paraguay and northern Argentina, north to eastern and southern Brazil, and northern Uruguay. It is quite common in its native range. Although the queen palm is not native to North America, it has been introduced into the United States, commonly used in Florida and California. It has naturalized itself in other countries, including Australia, where it is considered potentially invasive. The queen palm has a smooth single trunk ring with leaf scars and topped with dark green feathery fronds. Pinnate leaves grow upward more so than outward. The stem of the leaf is about 5 to 15 feet long and has double rows of leaflets. Each leaflet blade is approximately 18 to 36 inches long. During the summer months, queen palm will surprise you with beautiful clusters of creamy flowers on a green stalk that grows underneath its leaves. In the early winter, a green fruit will appear that will turn orange as it matures. These fruits, also called dates, have a round shape and are about 1 inch long with one single seed inside. The queen palm fruit smells nice, but is not edible. When dates fall to the ground, they create sticky piles of rotting fruit that attract disagreeable insects. The fast-growing queen palm does not tolerate poor soils very well, especially alkaline soils, which can cause nutrient deficiencies. The tree grows best in acidic soils and should be well drained and fertilized regularly. Since the queen palms grow fast, you can companion plant with medium to large plants at its base, including hibiscus, Cape honeysuckle, Cape jasmine, or copper plant.